accomplished here. You did what was supposed to be done.
I'm very pleased, but what I'm more pleased about is the rebuilding process that we have to be doing before the playoffs. Today we're down King, Ming, and Atkinson was out, and Shanil Thomas doubtful. Well, he was injured, we didn't use him today. So I'm just trying to get it right before the playoffs start.
And what was the performance? How much confidence the performance gave you?
Well, the part I didn't like was the amount of goals that we missed, because it could have easily have been double figures if we had just taken the chances. Colin could have gone out of sight in terms of the goal scoring race if he had just taken his chances too. But that is one part of it. But when you look at the man of the match, young AJ, then you feel pleased about that, because he stepped in and filled really big shoes. That's Richard King's position that he stepped in there and delivered.
And you say it's a big shoes to fill, or you look forward from here on to the playoff with this new recruit? Or you believe that what you think you can get it right for that stage?
Well, we have to. But one of the policy at Cavalier is next man up. So whenever somebody leaves, we always have a youngster that we can put in his place. Young Barrett came on the second half and was extremely good. So it looked like he's a youngster I'm going to have to rely on for the rest of the playoffs.
But you mentioned that Colin Anderson could have been out of sight. When he won the penalty, he insisted on Adrian taking the penalty against Scotland.
Oh, well, in training is the best penalty taker we have. So that was a 2-1 scoreline. We wanted to be sure of the points.
And then he insisted again.
Yes, because I wanted to get man of the match.
But certainly a lot of confidence in this youngster.
Oh yes, and people remember that he has played for us before last year. He's not the first he's playing Premier League. He has played Premier League from he was 15, so we know of his quality. He wasn't perturbed. We know of his father's quality, so pedigree runs in the family.
So one father?
Adrian Reid, senior.
Okay,
Yeah.
So how much game he has played so far this season?
Oh, he hasn't played much. He has probably played about his 4th or 5th game. But we expect him to go on from strength to strength, and of course he'll be a feature. He'll be featured in the playoffs almost right through. Thanks.